Imotemplários presents Unusual Farm in an Exciting Place in Ferreira de Zêzere. An isolated and calm place to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The land has more than 25 hectares and is composed of fruit trees, olive trees, oaks, pine trees, cork oaks and eucalyptus. The land has a fantastic threshing floor and is in good condition. Great land for cultivation. The house is in need of renovation. It has 4 bedrooms, kitchen, living room, one bathroom, press, cellar, garage for 2 cars and storage room. The attic is large and the roof has been recently revised. The house has main water and electric lights, still has 2 wells with lots of water, and one of them is feeding the house. This is the ideal place to live with nature. Just minutes from Ferreira de Zêzere, 15 minutes from Tomar, and 1 hour 30 from Lisbon. Book your visit now with Imotemplários. Call now 910 025 004.